Hey guys, we have here our JBL FLIP 6 Bluetooth speaker, and there is already a firmware upgrade available to download and install on here. So in this video we want to show you how this is done. So first of all, we do need a smartphone in order to do this. So you can either use an Android phone or, like what I have here, is an iPhone. So it works on both kinds of devices, and we need a specific app for that, and that is the JBL Portable app. So you find this in the Google PlayStore as well as the Apple App Store. So I just type in here JBL Portable, and pretty much at the top of the list we find that application here. I already pre-installed this, so I'm just going to start it at this point. And of course now we have to still turn on our speaker. And it has to be previously paired to the phone, to our smartphone, of course. So as soon as we power it on, it's going to connect right away. And what's going to happen next is that the JBL FLIP 6 is going to be discovered by the JBL Portable app. So we already see this happening here. Sometimes this can actually take a couple of seconds longer than we just seen here. And now at the very top of the screen here, we see already software update available. So we're going to click on that. And now we see here there is version 0.5.2.0 available, which has an OTA stability improvement. So now you may wonder, what does OTA stand for? That's Operational Transconductance Amplifier. So this firmware update is just related to the amplifier. Now in order to actually start the update, we have to plug in the speaker to a power source. So we have to charge it. I guess JBL is afraid that the speaker is going to run out of power while you're doing the update. So they force you to do this, and as soon as you plug in the charging cable, you see the update button on the bottom of the screen is going to light up. So at this point now we can press on the update button, and it's going to download the new firmware first from the internet, and then it's going to upload it into the speaker, and it's going to update the speaker. The entire process takes about 4 minutes. So first the download, and then it's going to update internally. And because we don't want to wait so long, I'm just going to speed this up here a little bit. And during the update, the speaker is also going to eventually power down and then just sit there with some lights illuminated, and a couple of seconds later it powers back up, and that's pretty much the end of the update. So now it's just going to check the firmware if it's really properly installed, and now eventually we're going to get here the thumbs up, so update successful. And we're all done now, so we can start using the speaker again. Also on the bottom of the main screen we can confirm now that the latest software is installed. So you see here 0.5.2.0, and okay, so now let's see if the speaker still works. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.